Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipain na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know? At para sa video ito guys, pageant update na naman tayo. Magre-react nga ako guys dito kay CJ na pambato natin sa Miss Grand 2024. At sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood tong video na to. Kaya i-play na natin. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go! Alright! Okay, bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1, go! So, here we go. Wait lang. Guys, umulan ngayon dito sa amin, kaya pasensya na kung meron kayong naririnig na kumukulog-kulog, kumikidlat-kidlat. Okay, play na natin.
Hello!
Ayan na guys.
Okay, so... Well, is there a question you wanna ask?
Si Papa na what?
What's on my... Well, just for the information of everybody, I was just crowned last 29th and I only have 3 days to prepare
Makudato.
to be here. So
Ganda
this
niya,
is
no?
a challenge for me, but also just a little information. I've been aiming for the Miss Grand Crown for the 2nd time and now I'm finally here representing the Philippines. I joined the national competition back in 2022 aiming for the same crown, Miss Grand, but I wasn't able to take home the crown. But now I'm here to represent the whole Philippines and hopefully I'll also get to have the first golden crown for all of us.
Okay. Manifesting.
I think the only challenge for me, because I believe I'm bringing my genuinity, the genuinity of my passion and my authenticity.
Galing niya magsalita, no? Good speaker.
Just like what Papa Nawat said, that we are always aiming for what is just true and just showing only the truth here.
Yes,
Nothing
only
to
the
be
truth.
fake. Just a little fake for maybe some of the factors that we have to be. But of course, this is business also, so we have to really roll into how business works. But then again, the only challenge maybe is just the costumes, the designers that I have to top, so I can bring forward the artistry of all the Filipinos in the international stage. But moreover, everything's just going still fluid because I have my team behind me and all the Filipinos are supporting me. And I'm just so glad that I am here and I am sitting beside all these amazing and empowered women right beside me. We have a doctor, we have a model, we have an entrepreneur. I am a breadwinner. And I'm also a passerella coach back in the Philippines. So I've been training some
Wait lang.
who are joining.
May ingay dumaan na sa sasakyan. Ang ingay!
Some
Bulan na.
national and international competitions. So it's a dream of mine to actually have a studio. Hopefully, I'll get to have my own studio.
Ang
But for
galing
now,
niya.
I don't have any studio. I'm training girls and I'm just renting some places where I can train them. Because I've always wanted to impart my knowledge where my father imparted to me. Because my father used to be a model before. That's where I learned modeling. And now I was able to join some competitions. I gathered all knowledge that I had for the past years, and I just wanted to share the knowledge to young queens who wants to be a beauty queen or who wants to be a model. So hopefully I'll get to have a studio and get to train a lot more queens and bring their confidence on stage.
Mic drop!
Thank you!
Grabe, ang galing ni Miss Philippines! Ang galing niya magsalita, no? Talagang matatalino talaga yung mga pambato natin. Hindi lang maganda, matalino pa, tapos sinasayang lang. Sinasayang lang. No? Anyways, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo to malaking like, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know, bye!